Hey everybody, Dave Johnston here with AggressiveFun. Today we're in the middle of a huge snowstorm and it's gone overnight. And since, if you've seen the previous videos, we love the snow. I love it when it snows, so this is awesome. And the storm's not done, but today we're going to demonstrate not only the time-lapse capability of the Nest camera, but also transitioning from infrared, because most of the storm happened overnight, to normal non-infrared mode. So you'll be able to see both sides of that and be able to see the transition in the time lapse. And we'll also check out what's happening with respect to the rest of the storm. When it's all done, then I'll come back out and we'll do a final check. Right now, we're looking at, and you can't see that again. Right now we're looking at, just over 10 inches. So it's quite a lot, and we're not done yet. Again, you'll see a transition as it goes from the nighttime infrared mode into regular daytime mode when the infrared filters click off, and you'll be able to see the difference between those. And at the end, I'll show you the final total, get an idea of what it looks like without all of the storm and all the snow with the wind blowing and whatnot. So let's check it out. Well, I think that's it. Sun is coming out. It's going to be nice, bright, sunshiny here. I think this is the largest snowfall we've gotten since I've lived here, and I've been here for about 5 years. So it's a lot, but for a guy like me that loves it when it snows, this is perfect. And you still can't see that. The grand total ends up being 11 inches. So that's a lot. So again, what you saw is last night the majority of the snowfall happened, and that was in infrared mode on the Nest Wi-Fi video camera. And then it switched. Once the sun came out, it lightened up, then it switched over. So you get to see how that works. And then we used time-lapse again. The last storm I did was about 8 hours long, and I made a 60-second time-lapse of it, and it took 20-25 minutes to get Nest to process the time-lapse down into 60 seconds. Now, that's okay, but they don't give you any warning. They just say, we're working on it, and then it goes away. They don't show anything that is processing. So I went back and started up another one. I thought that it had died. Well, it turns out it hadn't. It went ahead and finished finally. This one, with it being around 12 hours, it's probably going to take it 30 minutes or so to process. So at least I know now, once I start it, I leave it alone, it'll process it down to the 60 seconds. Does a pretty good job of that, so just be patient. That's the Nest cloud video processing process. That's just the way that it is. So be patient. It will end up doing and finishing. So as always, feel free to leave questions, comments down below. We love having you watch the videos, and any feedback is always great. Thumbs up or subscribes are also much appreciated, and hope that you love the snow as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.